Hold on to your gardening hats, folks, because we're diving into the world of saffron, the spice so precious it's practically worth its weight in gold. Now, you might have heard whispers that this red gold is impossible to grow outside its fancy Mediterranean digs, but hold your horses. While it's true saffron has some preferences, it's surprisingly adaptable with a little know-how. First things first, let's talk dirt. Forget about your soggy clay patches. Saffron craves well-drained, sandy loam soil like a vampire avoids garlic. Think light and airy, folks. And just like Goldilocks with her porridge, saffron likes its pH slightly alkaline, around 7.0 to 8.0. Don't worry, a sprinkle of magic, aka aged compost or balanced fertilizer, can help achieve that sweet spot. Now, onto the sunny side of things. Picture this. Hot, dry summers followed by cool, crisp winters. That's the Mediterranean dream saffron craves. Think temperatures around 30 degrees Celsius in the summer and a winter chill between 10 degrees Celsius and 7 degrees Celsius. And don't forget the sunshine. These little guys are total sun worshippers, needing all the rays they can get for those precious threads to flourish. Planting's easy. Think of it like hiding pirate treasure. Bury those corms about 10-15 centimeters deep in the late summer or early fall, leaving some space between them. Imagine tiny saffron sword fights. But remember, water wisely. Think light mistings, not a full-on monsoon, especially during their winter nap. Finally, the moment you've been waiting for, harvest time. Once those beautiful blooms appear, gently pluck the threads, the real gold, soon after. Quick drying in a cool, dark place is key to lock in all that flavor and aroma. So, can saffron grow anywhere? Well, maybe not commercially everywhere, but with the right soil, climate, and TLC, even your backyard could become a mini Mediterranean haven for this precious spice. Just remember, like any treasure hunt, success lies in understanding your quarry and creating the perfect environment. So, grab your tools, dust off your green thumb, and get ready to unlock the magic of growing your own red gold. After all, who wouldn't want a sprinkle of saffron magic in their kitchen? Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more content like these.